Hey guys, oof, here we go. Gotta get the... Yeah. Don't look at me like that. You gotta do something to get yourself up, moving, and flowing sometimes, you know? So, here's the deal. Welcome back to Cheeto Slayer's Brain Food. I am Cheeto Slayer, and welcome back to the Motivational Alphabet Challenge Week A, Day 2. Yesterday we had Alpha, today we have Ardent. The reason that I wanted to get into Ardent is because I felt after Alpha it was a good idea to, with the direction that we're trying to find and the confidence that we're trying to exude, also have the passion behind it. And you know, because that Alpha is kind of the facade that comes on the outside that you have to like fake it till you make it. If you don't have that confidence, you don't have that direction, you kind of just have to say what you kind of want to be your thing until it becomes your thing. But Ardent is about passion. So for a literal definition, if we go into it, Ardent is enthusiastic or passionate. Wow, congratulations, there you go. But I feel like it's a little bit better explained in relationship to fire. Whenever you think about fire, you think about like 3 different stages. You've got maybe like a smoldering fire that's about to die, it's kind of kicking out, it's on its last leg, it needs fuel. And then you've got a decently rolling fire, you know, it's got some good fuel, it's gonna last a little while, it'll be decent, okay, sure. But then you've got that next level. Whenever you see a really strong fire, it has a lot of stuff in the foundation, there's some good chunks of things that are good fuel sources, but it's also got like gasoline on it or some of those more aggressive kinds of fuel sources. That is what you call ardent. Whenever something is burning intensely, or just, you know, you look at it and you see that power and that rage or that inspiration behind it, that life and that passion, that is called ardent. When something is ardent, it is enthusiastic, it is passionate, it is raging, it is burning, it's fired up. So whenever I'm talking about being fired up on here, I'm not talking about being this smoldering, dying, kaput, almost out flame. I'm talking about something intense. I want something deeper. I want to dig. I want to get to that raw, just ardence. And that's today's takeaway. I want to dive into what I want to do. I want to find what I'm passionate about. That's what this is all about. Well, every time I'm going to say that actually, because it's all about just digging deeper. And I feel like Ardence helps me dig a little bit deeper, because thinking about what I actually want to do is a lot easier whenever I think about what I'm trying to achieve and what I want to get at. What's my goal? What's the end result? And that end result, after you formulate that and you kind of get an idea for what it is, you can pull back a little bit and you can look at it and see, how bad do you want it? And if it doesn't give you just that ardent intensity, burning, and desire to accomplish it, it's a good sign that you're probably going in the wrong direction. That's the reason that I want to get into that one early, because it's a good one for, you know, kind of picking direction. Pick a couple of things, look at them, and really think about what it means to accomplish that, or what kind of value that you'll get out of it, and then feel about how ardent each one of them makes you. And the ones that don't just give you that like, no, not like that, you know, like you don't just like, you want to go and you want to go get it, you want to go and grab it. The ones that don't make you want to just and dig deep and get in there and go attack it, it's a good sign that they're not worth your time. Yeah. It does so well for me. People think that I look good when I do it. Okay. Or, ooh, it makes me so much money. Okay, cool. If you're gonna get that money, then you're gonna grab that bread and you're gonna use that to get what you want to get later. Like sometimes you gotta get stepping stones. Like I've got a couple side hustles right now so I could build something else up. And you can take all that and you can build it up, and then put it under what you really want to do. And if you can do that, good on you. Absolutely roll for it. But if it just, it makes me look good. Sorry, dude, you're in it for the wrong shit. So just really think about something that makes you want to dig deeper, get in there, and go accomplish something. Think about that ardence. And if you've got an example of something that kind of just, meh, and then you've got another example of something that you want to do where you just want to, let me know. Throw it in the comments below. Feel free to collaborate and talk. That's what this is all about. This is supposed to be a conversation. So, we had Alpha yesterday, we have Ardent today, and I will see you guys for distractions tomorrow. No, we had Alpha yesterday, we have Ardent today, and I will see you for Advantage and Advantages tomorrow. Take care, guys. Get on it.